Hi guys, welcome back or to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm eating throughout the day while I'm at college and trying to bulk a little bit. I'm trying to put on some more muscle mass even though it's not really going too well and I don't eat enough, and I know that, so I know if I was eating a lot more I'd be seeing a lot better results and a lot faster. So I'm really going to try to be force feeding myself. And I'm not eating at my maintenance or whatever. I'm not trying to do that on purpose. It's literally just me. Also, I'm going to be filming my workout tonight. I think my friend Lilybell, she was in my last video. I think she's joining me, so I'm excited for that. Push day, chest, shoulders, tries. Okay, I'm actually going to start with like the very first thing I put into my body. Right here I keep like my vitamins and everything. First, I have two of these gummies. I think they're so good, which is a problem. Then I have turmeric, biotin, which is really good. This is elderberry, more elderberry. Oh, yummy. I have one turmeric. Just come in a capsule like that. One little biotin. These are really good if you're sick or just good for your immune health in general. So now that we've popped like 20 pills, now I'm gonna make my breakfast. This is what my everyday breakfast will look like. It's just an everything bagel with cream cheese, and then I make my protein shake slash fruit smoothie. I just think it's the best combination. This is what I'll have every single morning. I'll probably try to eat soon after this, as soon as I can. Now I'm gonna dry scrape some creatine. Did this in my last video. Sorry. Got my water. Cheers. Okay, this is the second meal that I'm having. I should be on like my third meal by now, but I'm just having some pasta with pesto sauce. That pasta, you mash it up a little bit and then put it in the microwave for a minute. Throw your sauce on top and it's ready. And it's actually pretty good. I'm just gonna have this. It's already 2 and this is only my second meal. So shortly after this, probably around 3, I'm gonna make some chicken and rice, I think. So that'll be my next meal. Now I'm just gonna eat a protein bar. This is the one bar. I absolutely love them. The macros are pretty good too. It's 20 grams of protein, only 1 gram of sugar. And this is the birthday cake flavor. I found I really like this flavor and the Oreo one. So definitely try them out. I mean, I should be eating a meal, but they look like. Who is honking? There's crazy people. I'm about to get ready for the gym right now. My roommate's coming and my other friend Lilybell that you guys saw in the last video is coming. I just have a black top, black leggings, Vans. I think I'm gonna bring a jacket because it's freezing outside. Say hi to the cameras. This is our gym. There's our building. How clutch. My chest is sore from pull-ups yesterday. That's kind of sad, I feel like.
Oh, that's definitely what it's from.
Yeah, is your chest sore too? Because I felt my chest while I was doing the pull-ups. So. This is my roommate's face, by the way. Did you just... I was gonna close. So I got like... I have $19 in dining dollars left.
Do I rap? in my way back. The selling never JJ. This ain't recess, but you know I don't play. Just bought an AK, just took a vacay. Bitch, you broke, you with the culture. Hey, bitch, you broke. Shut up, don't talk to me. Get your better. Yeah, we used to fuck, but I got fed up. We eat, all my niggas fed up. Bitch, you broke. 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 Shut up, don't try to being don't talk to me. Yeah, we used to fuck, but I got try to being don't talk to me. Get your better. Yeah, we used to fuck, but I got fed up. Try to being don't talk to me. Yeah, we used to fuck, but I got try to being don't talk to me. Get your better. Yeah, we used to fuck, but I got fed up. We eat.
Oh my god, look how red my face is. But my chest was sore from doing pull-ups yesterday. I need to put ear clips in it so they know how strong you are. Lily Bell amazes me every single time I see.
Stop you. I'm so excited for next year.
Me too.
Oh. Bye, Jim.
Gosh, it's raining. It seems like it's like. Bro, you're good at it.
Yeah, you are pretty good at it.
8:57. We got there at like 7.
Yeah. Yeah.
I told Kenzie I have a quiz and a midterm.
Woo! And we stayed there for
and Kenzie's like, 2-hour workout today.
But The Rock wanted it.
Thank you.
Being a free workout, I never knew.
Oh my god. Go elevator lighting.
On the next floor. Thumbnail.
No, guys, don't want to leave. I'm gonna go over the workout because I didn't explain it. By the way, shout out my mans for creating this for us at Noah Pumps. Okay, first for chest, we did barbell bench press and we just did, how many sets did we do? 3 or 4? I don't remember. 4. We did 4 sets. Incline dumbbell bench press.
4 sets of 2. Just kidding.
Okay, so we did like 2 sets of like 10, 8 to 10, and then we tried going up in weight, and then we were maxing out at like 5. And then we had to get some spot going in there. Okay, but that's how you improve though.
You did good.
Go us. We'll get there one day. Okay, then we just did close grip dumbbell bench press. My face is really red. For shoulders, we did cable raises forward, side,
Crossbody.
cross for rear delt.
By
Then
the
we
way,
did.
this workout took us 2 hours, so if you're ever wondering how long this workout's gonna take, it's gonna take you exactly 2 hours.
Oh my god, my face is so red. I don't breathe when I like do my workouts. Then we did cable tricep pull downs, and then we did rope pull downs, and then we did these, which was kind of awkward to be honest, but I definitely felt it. Like it was just awkward like putting it over your head, you know?
Elite vanilla, 42 grams.
This,
But she has chocolate. But I don't like
chocolate and
so
vanilla.
I give vanilla.
bro, 42 grams of protein, that's insane. How could you say no?
And there's 3.5 grams of fat, so.
Did you use pre-workout today?
I did.
Oh, how did it feel? Why is my face so red?
Felt good the first hour, and then I didn't realize we were gonna be there for 2 hours. I would have done a full damn scoop.
Okay, you don't need
Chest
pre-workout. You have enough strength and energy to do it yourself. And I'm right about that. You know I'm right about that. Do me workout. Hey.
Kenzie grew my life.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. You put in the work.
Built by Kenzie Keller.
Actually built from Noah to me to you.
There it is.
Shout out Noah Pumps again. Okay, this is what I'm eating for dinner post gym. I have some broccoli, rice, and chicken. There's like a big portion of rice down there. Then I have some hot sauce for flavor, Cholula. And then for my drink, I have this protein shake. It's by Fairlife. 42 grams of protein. Can't say no to that. 230 calories. Gonna munch this and probably go to sleep.